Unlawful detainer. I spend quite a bit of my time going to unlawful detainer I spend a lot of my time going to unlawful detainer court hearings. The unlawful detainer, typically about 30 days after the notice of quit, is a court action asking for possession of the property. That is when the bank goes to court and says, we own this property, the occupants are failing to move out, they're refusing to give us our property, we would like you, court, to force them out. The notice is typically posted and mailed to the property by the bank's attorney, and if you don't fight it, if you don't file an answer, if you don't go to court and try to keep it from happening, the court typically, 99.9% of the time, will pass judgment against you and give possession to the bank. I do this all the time. I go to court as the bank's representative. The occupant doesn't show up. Sometimes they do, but no matter what, the court will look at the paperwork and say, yes, you've been given sufficient notice to give back the house to the rightful owner. And at that point, once the unlawful detainer occurs in court, the judge typically will say, all right, you've got 2 more weeks to move out, and then the sheriff will come out. So that brings us to our next topic, the sheriff's lockout. Usually 14 to 21 days after the unlawful detainer court case. And this is an actual law enforcement action. Okay? Let me go back one step. The unlawful detainer is you are possessing a home, you are unlawfully detaining the rightful owner of that home from taking possession. That's why they call it unlawful detainer. Unlawful detainer means that you are breaking the law by not giving the owner his house back.